Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 8th question in exercise 10.2. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. The figure is given to us. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So first let's understand what is given to us, and from there on we will take over the solution. So given is ABCD is a quadrilateral, and we are asked to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So let's start with the proof. See, first let's try to compute what is AB plus CD. So AB plus CD, so AB can be broken as AP and PB. So I'm writing AB as AP plus PB plus CD, I'm going to break it as CR plus DR because that's how that is done. So in this diagram, it is given as a point between C and D. So I'm breaking CD as CR plus DR. Now, I'm going to reorganize this sides slightly. So I'm going to write as AP can be rewritten as AS. Why? Because A is the external point and AP and AS are tangents to this particular circle. So because of this property, so tangent from external point or from same external point to the circle are equal. I'm going to use this property multiple times, so I'm going to write it in single shot. So AP I'm replacing as AS. PB I'm going to replace as BQ because in this case B is going to be the external point and BP and BQ are the tangents drawn from B. Similarly, I'm going to replace CR with CQ where CQ and C are the tangents drawn from the external point C. Similarly, DR is going to be replaced with DS for the same reason. Now, we will simply reorganize these sides that we have written. So, AS, I'm going to combine with DS. So, I'm not changing anything, just the order in which it is written. Plus BQ plus CQ. Now, let us combine it. AS plus DS, according to the diagram, AS plus DS will be nothing but AD. And similarly, BQ plus CQ will be equal to BC. So we started computing what is the value of AB plus CD and we ended up getting AD plus BC, and that's what we needed to prove. So hence proved. So this particular property, we are going to use it 4 times for each of these cases. So you can write the reason once and rewrite everything for this particular point. So now that we have rewritten, I'm just regrouping these sides AS and DS as one unit and BQ and CQ as another unit, and then adding up to, thereby you are getting the right hand side of the proof. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.